Hello, this is Jonathan Moore. This is part 2 of my deliverables for week 2. For my second task of the week, my project lead tasked me and a few other people to work on the multiplayer aspect of the game, trying to get some form of functioning local or online um, functionality for the game so that we can have multiple instances um, of the build running on separate computers and hopefully doing some basic multiplayer. So for my scene, I did not put much into it, just a basic floor, and I do have a player prefab within my resources folder. But I did create an empty object that I renamed Network Manager, and within that I added two components, a network manager and a network manager HUD. Essentially, the network manager, I did not change much within the component, but I did add a spawn player prefab down here, which I just clicked and dragged my player prefab and dropped it in here. And I created a network manager HUD component, which all that really does is just adds a basic HUD to the camera when the build starts, and it lets you create a host server or join a host server as a client. So I already have two instances running here on my computer, the same computer. This is a local instance, so this is not running off of a network. So on the left one, I will choose to create as a host, and this is my blue player cube. And on the right one, I will join as a client. This is the client's version. So I did create a simple script code that when these objects are created, if you are the client, you are the blue objects on the left side. This is the client's screen or build that they're running off of, so they are currently blue. And on the right side, this cube is blue. And you can see that the um, network is working. There is a bit of a lag. It's not consistent, it's not perfect, but it does keep track of the players and what they're currently doing. And we do intentionally start to add our full assets into the game and to eventually get some form of working multiplayer soon.